Hello lovelies, my name's Nikima and we are Spainhomes. Today I am in the Sierra de Altea, a beautiful residential prestigious area located in the town of Altea, on the Costa Blanca and in the province of Alicante. Today I'm going to be showing you a sumptuous, sophisticated and very beautiful apartment right here. It offers 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms and is 390 square meters. In this urbanisation we will be going, and let's begin the tour. Taking you from the main entrance of the urbanisation, you are coming into the beautiful expanse of communal grounds that the residents get to enjoy. This is an urbanisation that is resided by just 13 apartments, and they have an extensive, beautiful, green and very peaceful place to live all year round. As you can see, they have left no detail left spare when it comes to the amazing installations, sculptures. I love the eclectic feel of the rugged sensation of nature, and yet the industrial materials that they've used and the natural stone. But what you have here also is great walkways to enable you to really just appreciate where we are. After all, you do have this very impressive, rugged mountain terrain to look at and feast your eyes on, with a backdrop of pine forest. But in amongst it all, you also do have fantastic services for the residents to enjoy. Here we are in what is a great picnic area and also little children's playground. And you can see that it has trails, pathways and walkways for you to enjoy walking around even more. I'm just going to walk this way now. And all the while getting to enjoy how peaceful it is. How it feels like just this oasis. So now I'm coming up the driveway area towards what is the communal grounds in which a lot of the residents will use when they are outside. I'm approaching the main entrance to where the apartments are, but also on my left here you will find that there is your communal swimming pool. Now you're thinking probably the community fee. Okay, the community fee, as you can see, this is where the money goes. They have great maintenance staff, groundsmen, gardeners and people here on hand all day, as well as 24-hour surveillance, as it is after all a gated community. But I love this feel of a communal swimming pool. It feels like I'm in an oasis with this shell-shaped, really lovely space that they have created, not only an adult swimming pool of a good size, but also next to it a children's swimming pool. And can I just say, I've got exquisite views of Altea on that side, this mountainous expanse of vegetation and coves and rocks here, and palm trees to the side. Taking you from the communal swimming pool and sun lounging area across the natural lawn, we are now going towards where you will find the changing rooms, the gymnasium and also the bathrooms. So coming down the stairs, and it has its own separate entrance as you go in, and then to the right you will see that there is a fully equipped gymnasium which is air conditioned and very comfortable to use. And then also you find that adjacent to it are your bathrooms and also your changing rooms for the comfort of the swimmers. This exclusive urbanisation is really interesting with its architectural design, not just with the exterior of the building, but also the interior. You find that you have the apartment, and then you also have, overlooking the apartment, the garage. Now, the garages are also quite extensive in space, offering 86 square metres to use for multiple vehicles. You have your doors, which give you the vehicle access, but next to it you even have a pedestrian door. Now I'm going to show you the actual garage that comes with this apartment, and as you can see as you enter, you have on one side what you would obviously use as your garage space, and here it takes up a little bit of your technical room space. As the actual apartment runs with renewable energy, that's that over on this side. But then on this side you have even more space to take advantage of. Let's say, for example, you wanted a separate utility area, a place to store garden furniture, etc. You have that as well. Now, coming out of the garage, as you can see, you have, overlooking it, your entry into the home. Hello. As I come in through the front door into the entry hall, this is an elegant and very sophisticated way to enter this apartment. It is a spacious entry hall with integrated wardrobes on this side to give you space for your coats and belongings. But I love the warm tones they've gone for with the carpentry of the natural wood as well as this beautiful colour marble flooring. What you will also find in the front door is that you have your domotica system, your alarm system, and also switches for your lighting. But then we come into the expanse of the living space, the heart of the home, which is an open plan living room, dining room and kitchen. The ceiling height throughout the apartment is 2.65 metres, and currently we are in the living room. Altogether, the living space here is just under 100 square metres, and the spacious living room is giving me entertainment vibes completely, while soaking in the views of the surrounding landscape, the Mediterranean Sea. Can I just say, amazing? You can actually enjoy the living space. Coming out of the living room, it leads really seamlessly to your dining room. This dining area has a dining table set to dine 8 and has a gorgeous contemporary feature above it to illuminate the space beautifully. And then we go into your open kitchen. You find that the actual architectural design of the home gives you a geometric feel with the room spaces, giving you a great separation as well as unification. Here you have plenty of countertop space. You also have on this side your hob as well as your extractor just above. Very deep cabinetry with your cupboards and also your drawers, which is really nice. You also have this wooden natural backsplash. On this side is a continuation of your appliances with your oven, your microwave and your wine chiller. You also have very sensible storage options as well going on throughout, as well as your hidden refrigerator and your freezer. I do love the fact that it is actually set up exquisitely for a family kitchen environment, giving you lots of space and also keeping everything really kind of nicely tucked away so you don't always see it. The minimum lines that you get with the actual interior design of the home really complement the furniture, but also the space. As you can see, you have large patio doors that lead out onto your terraces, which are wooden decked. You have stucco doors, which are very good design in terms of quality, giving you not only noise protection, but also anti-glare. Throughout the home, it has great specifications. You have these LED accents in the ceilings and also the walls, adding to the warmth of the home. But you also have it so that it complements the sunshine that comes in with the space really nicely. So we've been exploring the daytime side. I'm going to show you the guest bathroom, which is rather ostentatious as you enter and is fully equipped. You have here your really nice mirror that goes all the way around and frames really nicely your vanity sink and also your toilet. Now, I'm going to take you through another door that leads to the nighttime area of the apartment. And this takes you into a spacious hallway that again is giving me minimum lines. Can you see that? How that's just so nicely framed? So we're now going into the first bedroom. The first bedroom as you enter is again a similar interior feel. The bedroom itself is 22 square meters, and on one side you have your integrated wardrobes, and on the other patio doors that lead out onto the terrace and the sun lounging areas. You are waking up to exquisite views, and I love the fact that they've actually put two rather large beds in this one room, giving you so many great options really for a family. Coming out of the first bedroom, I'm now going to take you across the hall, and it leads directly to the main bathroom. This is a very spacious bathroom, again with a geometric type of feel with its angular design. You have there a double vanity as well as sink. You also have your bath. And I do like the way that they have also integrated on the other side a spacious shower area and separate toilet. The shower area has a wooden decked floor, which gives it a really warm feel, but the rest of the bathroom is marble flooring. Coming out of your main bathroom, I'm going to now take you back into the hall, and across the way, I'm going to now take you into the second bedroom. The second bedroom has a similar interior feel to the first. It is light and bright, but warm and inviting, with absolutely impeccable views of the landscape. I can't tell you how much massive land and space you really appreciate even from indoors. This space is 20 square meters. You have patio doors on one side and also your integrated wardrobes on another. The specifications run throughout the home with air conditioning and also underfloor heating throughout. Now I'm going to take you to the primary suite. The primary suite is just as gorgeous as the rest of the bedrooms, but even more on a grand scale. You have a bedroom space that is 48 square meters, not including the ensuite. Large patio doors that lead directly out to the jacuzzi and superb views, as well as multiple walls that give you your integrated wardrobes. What a light, bright and very inviting space this bedroom is. Coming over to this side though, you then also have the door that leads to a very nice ensuite bathroom. The ensuite bathroom is again spacious like the other bathrooms. You have a large mirror that gives you two vanities and sinks, also a bath in the corner, and then within the decking itself also you have your shower and your separate toilet. Taking you from the main living area onto your own terrace. This is a sanctuary, a beautiful space to enjoy outdoor Mediterranean climate and the impeccable, amazing, and can I just say, panoramic on a different level views you have right here. You have the Bay of Altea, you have the entire coastline there leading over to Benidorm, beyond, as if you're going towards even Alicante. You even have this rolling, gorgeous countryside, this lush, dense vegetation, and all the while, the peace and serenity to even hear the birds. I can't believe it. But outside of the view, you have a wooden decked terrace that is very comfortable for entertaining and also relaxation. Here you have a sheltered lounging spot to be able to enjoy being outdoors and relax. You also have a designated sun lounging area here, as well as a roofed dining space, and over this side a jacuzzi, so you really get to enjoy the backdrop of the mountain whilst you're soaking in those bubbles. The nitty-gritty. The property tax, or EB, is €1,500 per year. The community fee is €6,000 per year, and the refuse is €150 per year. This is a great apartment, giving you high quality specifications and also exquisite views of the surrounding landscape. You really do get to appreciate and enjoy not only the location of being here overlooking the Mediterranean Sea, but a home that gives you functionality as well as a minimalist type of design style. I really love this house to explore it and also to show it to you today. Can I also say that the location of Sierra de Altea takes advantage of its location fantastically, in the sense that you have a peaceful setting, picturesque landscapes, but also the historic town of Altea itself not too far away. You are also bordering neighbouring towns like Benidorm, which is 10 kilometres away. And then you have Alicante City and Airport, which is just 50 kilometres away. Anyway, if you'd like to see more and you'd like to know the finer details, please do go to our website, which is spainhomes.estate. Also, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. My name is Nikima. It was lovely to see you, and we will see you next time. Hasta pronto.